So for those aspiring students, especially for those like millennials like me, because I'm currently an OFW, so kung gusto niyo talagang ma-explore ang mundo, I think you can just try to grab the opportunity to study in Spain, because right now that is one of the fastest way for citizenship, and of course for me as an hospitality graduate, so I need to just like push my of course my knowledge and try the international school, for example. I choose ABC because first, they're legit. Second, they're all accommodating. Even, for example, me as an OFW, even I'm in Thailand, so in the Philippines, so they just keep communicating with me and very, they answering very fast. And napaka-friendly nila and ganda ng office. And yeah, so better choose ABC.